Children, welcome to third grade mathematics class. See children, here we have some apples. In the first box we have 4 apples and in the second box we have 3 apples. Now, how many apples are there in all? 7 apples. So, how did we get the answer? By adding. So, what is addition? Putting together and counting is called addition. The sign of addition is plus. So let us learn more about addition. Terms of addition. Here we are adding two numbers, 245 and 133. So the numbers which we add are called addends. And here the answer is 378. So the answer in addition is called sum. Now let us see the properties of addition. First property, when you add 0 to a number, then the sum will be the number itself. Here in first bowl we have 2 apples and in the second bowl no apples. That means 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now the second property is when you add 1 to a number, then we get the successor of the number. See in this example, here we have 3 triangles plus 1 triangle. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So successor of 3 is 4. Now coming to third property, when we add two numbers in different order, then the sum remains the same. In this example, 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Now here I am changing the order of the numbers. First number we are taking as second number and the second number we are writing as first number. So 3 plus 5 also is equals to 8. So we can say 5 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. Let us learn how to add 4-digit numbers. Add 1157 and 1238. Now we have to arrange the numbers in columns. Start from 1's column, 7 in 1's column, 5 in 10's column, 1 in 100's column and 1 in 1000's column. In the same way, second number also we have to arrange 8, 3, 2, 1. Now start adding from 1's column. 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. 15 means 5 ones and 1 10. So write 5 in 1's place and 1 in 10's place. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2395. Let us do two more problems quickly. Here we have 3 numbers. One 4-digit number, one 3-digit number and one 1-digit number. Now arrange the numbers in columns and start adding from 1's column. So 5 plus 3 plus 9 is 17. So write 7 in 1's place and 1 carry in 10's place. Now 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. Write 8 in tens place. Now, in hundreds place, 6 plus 5 is 11. So, write 1 in hundreds place and 1 carry in thousands place. 1 plus 4 is 5. So, the answer is 5187. Now, in the second problem, here we have two 4-digit numbers and one 2-digit number. Arrange the numbers in columns and start adding from ones column. 7 plus 5 plus 4 is 16. So write 6 in ones place and 1 carry in tens place. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6 is 10. So write 0 in tens place and 1 carry in hundreds place. 1 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. Now in thousands place, 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3306. Children, do these problems in the rough notebook. We have learnt how to do addition. Now let us learn how to do word problems. A word problem gives us some information and then it tells us to find out something. So we have to understand clearly what the information given is and what we have to find out. Then find the answer. See here, we have a word problem. In a go down, there are 154 bags of rice, 556 bags of wheat, and 26 bags of pulses. In all, how many bags of cereals are there in the go down? So, see here, children, number of rice bags. What is given here? Number of rice bags, number of wheat bags, and number of pulses bags are given. And we have to find out how many bags are there in the go down. So, we'll start the statement with the word number. So, first statement is number of rice bags is equals to 154. Then number of wheat bags is equals to 556. Next, number of pulses bags is equals to 26. Now arrange the numbers one below the other in columns and start adding from ones column. 4 plus 6 is equals to 16. So write 6 in ones place and 1 carry in tens place. Then add the digits in tens place. 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 13. So write 3 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 5 is equals to 7. So 736 is the answer. So we have to write the final statement. Therefore, total number of bags in the go down is equals to 736. Here we have one more word problem. A fisherman caught 101, 219 and 358 fishes on 3 successive days. Find the total number of fishes caught by him on these 3 days. So here fisherman caught the fishes on 3 successive days. First day 101, second day 219 and third day 358. So now Let us see how to write the statements. Number of fishes caught on first day is equals to 101. Number of fishes caught on second day is equals to 219. And on third day, number of fishes caught on third day is equals to 358. Now arrange these numbers and start adding from ones column. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is 18. So write 8 in ones place and write 1 carry in tens place. Then 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. Write 7 in tens place. Now add the digits in hundreds place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So the answer is 678. So write the final statement. Total number of fishes caught in 3 days is equals to 678. See this last problem, children. A cycle factory produced 1210 cycles in year 2001, 1415 cycles in year 2002 and 1963 cycles in the year 2003. Find the total production of cycles in these 3 years. See in this problem what is given? Number of cycles produced in 3 years, that is 2001, 2002, 2003. And now we have to find out total production of cycles. And children, don't get confused when you are writing the statements, because year is given and number of cycles are given. So you have to read the question properly and write the statements. So in 2001, how many cycles are produced? 1210. So let us write the statements. Number of cycles produced in 2001 is equals to 1210. Number of cycles produced in 2002 is equals to 1415. The number of cycles produced in 2003 is equals to 1963. Now arrange the numbers one below the other and start adding from ones column. 0 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So write 8 in ones column. Next 1 plus 1 plus 6 is 8. Write 8 in tens column. Then coming to hundreds place, 2 plus 4 plus 9, that is 15. So write 5 in hundreds place and write 1 carry in thousands place. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. Therefore, total number of cycles produced in 3 years is equals to 4588. Children, do these problems in the rough notebook. Thank you.